Feeling overwhelmed by financial jargon? Terms like diversification, asset allocation, or compound interest sound confusing? You're not alone. Many people struggle to understand the basics, and that confusion holds them back from building real financial freedom. That's exactly why I created Fortunes Forward. This channel exists to break down the complex world of personal finance and investing into content that's simple, actionable, and globally relevant. You don't need a finance degree or hours of research, just the right guidance in plain language. Our mission is to simplify financial knowledge and empower you to take control of your money, one smart step at a time. This isn't about hype or shortcuts, it's about clarity, confidence, and consistency, whether you're just starting out or leveling up. Here on Fortunes Forward, we'll cover key topics that matter to everyday people worldwide. Budgeting and saving. Build a spending plan that works in real life. Smart investing. From beginner tips to navigating stocks, ETFs, and index funds. Real estate basics. Learn how property investing works around the world. Demystifying mutual funds. Understand what you're buying and why. Crypto and modern trends. Straightforward takes on crypto and blockchain minus the noise. Everything is explained with global examples, so it makes sense whether you're in New York, Berlin, Toronto, or Sydney. At the core of this channel are three key beliefs. Financial freedom is possible for everyone, regardless of background. Investing isn't just for the wealthy, it's for anyone willing to learn and start small. Small steps lead to big change, because consistency is the real secret to wealth building. If you've ever felt like money was too complicated, this is your new home. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. And let me hear from you. What's your biggest money challenge right now? Comment below so I can make content that truly helps you. Thanks for being here. I'm excited to be on this journey with you. This is Fortunes Forward, where we make finance simple, strategic, and smart. See you in the next video.